Hey guys, welcome back to Faithful Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today we're going to make one of the things that I really love on our website. It's called a cinnamon flat muffin, and I like this muffin because first of all, it's low carb, and I'm on a ketogenic diet, as all you guys know. And you're looking for something that's flavorful and just delicious and good to like grab on hand. These muffins are fantastic. Okay, they have a lot of cinnamony flavoring in them. And yes, cinnamony is a word, you know that. And also one thing about it is the carb's only 1.8 grams of carbs, so that's really good. So you can fit it into your macros and still stay on point. So in the bowl right now I have 2 cups of golden flaxseed milk. Now you can use regular flaxseed. I just like the way the golden flaxseed is. It's kind of lighter and it just looks prettier. I have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon oil. Sorry. My dog's in the background playing with her squeaky toy. Leona, I'm filming here. Anyway, so 2 cups of golden flaxseed milk, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in there, and a little bit of salt. You can do like a pinch of salt. And what we have in the bowl here is 6 eggs. We have a 1/3 cup of coconut oil that I melted with a 1/2 cup of butter. We have we're gonna put about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I think I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of the liquid stevia. You can do a little more if you want it sweeter. I find that 2 teaspoons is pretty good. And we're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of this Lorian's cinnamon oil flavoring. So if you don't have this, which I recommend because it really gives it that punch of cinnamony punch of cinnamon. Anyway, in the flavoring in it, it really helps a lot. I found this one at Walmart. They also have a great flavorings that are online, so check them out. And if you don't have that, you can use like a teaspoon or 2 of cinnamon extract if you have that. So what I did was whisk everything up, all the dry ingredients in the bowl, guys. And what we're going to do is let's just add our fats in here. And these are really good healthy fats because the coconut oil, well, butter just makes everything taste better, first of all. These are really good fats in here. So you get your omega-3s, good fats, from your flax seeds, which is amazing, and you need that in your daily diet. It just gives you a little bit of boost of energy with the coconut oil, so I love that. So we have that stirred up. We're going to let's add our extracts next. Get that in here. So that was 2, well, let's just do 1 teaspoon of that vanilla extract. We'll do 1/4 of the Lorian's, and it smells so good, guys. Have you ever tried that brand, Lorian's extracts and oils? They just make everything permeate so flavorful. Oh man, it smells good. But don't use a lot of it. Don't get carried away, because I did that last time I made these muffins, and man, every mouthful was like cinnamon, crazy cinnamon. So you want it to be a good, healthy balance in there, guys. So let's do 2 teaspoons of our liquid stevia. Then we'll add our eggs in last. All right, and you can do it in any order, it doesn't matter. I'm just putting them in as I think to go today. So have you guys had any flaxseed muffins? Have you made these from our website? Super simple and easy. Just takes longer because I'm telling you about them, you know. But they're a really good, handy muffin to have so that you can just grab it on the go, which I like that. I always like to have, as you guys know, I like to have things that I can just grab off the fridge if I need to go, or if my husband has, when he goes to work, he can just grab it and have it, you know. It's just portable and it's just delicious. So let's get these eggs in here and get this all mixed up. All right. It's nice and smooth, guys, and evenly distributed. So we're gonna put it in our cupcake tin. Let me grab that. Okay, I got our cupcake tin, and I have it lined with these little paper cupcake holders. I like that better because once again, it'll be easy to be portable. It comes out of the pan easily, and you don't have to clean the pan, basically. So always recommend to use those. And what we're gonna do is fill up each pan using of course, our favorite thing, a ice cream scoop. Just makes things cleaner and easier and even. So about fill it up, and you might have to go back through and just add a little bit more. So let me do that real fast for you. Okay, so we got them all filled up, and I'm going to pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. You want to check on it. So I like to check on the 10-minute mark, but just keep an eye on them, and you generally should cook them about 10 to 12 minutes. So I'll come back and let you know what they taste like and how gorgeous they'll look. I'll be right back. Alright, so our cinnamon flax muffins are out of the oven. Look how gorgeous. So I just plated them up, and I'll probably put them in the fridge. Make sure you store them in the fridge, guys, and they last for a couple weeks at least. So I'm going to give one a try, and I got me some butter because, you know, butter makes everything taste better. So let's try some in butter. Let me see if I can unravel this. But sometimes you ever find when you get certain like cupcake liners that they stick to your muffin? Sometimes that happens to me. Oh, okay, that one came out pretty good. Alright guys, let's cut this baby in half. Still a little warm. Okay, put a little butter on there. Come on, butter. I let them cool down some. And I got my coffee with my favorite coffee mug. Cheers, guys, because Jesus does fill my cup. And I'm about to fill my belly up, so let's see what this tastes like. Ooh. Mmm. Oh, man. Okay. Sorry. Mmm. That cinnamon flavor. It's worth putting the cinnamon in there. Let me just tell you, this is powdered cinnamon, but also the cinnamon extract or the Loran's oil. It just gets that burst of cinnamony, delicious. And they're like, I don't know, just make them, okay guys? Just make them. They're delicious, okay? And plus, for it to be a low carb muffin, they taste so good and full of flavor, guys. So definitely give this one a try. I want to bite it again, but I'm going to finish off by saying, subscribe to the channel, guys, to be a part of the family, of course, as I always say. And that way, if you hit the bell after you subscribe, you won't miss out on any one of the videos that I upload, guys. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. And let me know, guys, this time in the comments below, not only if you make this, but what else would you like me to make? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, okay, to make it keto. Give me some of your ideas, guys, and I'll do it for you, all right? So I am Rosemarie with Faithful Keto Kitchen. I love you guys. Have an amazing, blessed week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.